In order to call and set up voicemail on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we can go to the phone app. Now let's open the dialing keypad by tapping on this icon over here. And now we can simply press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And of course after that you can follow the instructions that you can hear during the voicemail in order to set it up. If you have issues with reaching the voicemail, if you cannot call it for some reason, then you might need to update the voicemail number. So we can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner, go to settings, then choose voicemail, and over here choose advanced settings, and go to setup. Over here we have the voicemail number, so you can tap on it in order to edit it if needed. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can either try to contact your carrier or try to simply googling the voicemail number of your service provider. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!